Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to bulk create your Canva design. So creating like multiple design efficiently in Canva is streamed with the bulk create feature, especially with the enhancement and introduced in Canva's visual type. So let's dive into the main topic, and in this video I am going to talk about step by step breakdown. So I will request you to watch the video till the end, then you will understand about everything Canva bulk promotion. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be create or choose a layout for your design. It would be something like 16:9, it can be 70 to 80, whatever you want to do it, you are allowed to do it here. So you can create customized size from here. You can see they already provided us some design layout. If you click over here, you are allowed to see docs template, you can see video size template. Also right now I will go over with social media, and here I will select this Instagram post or WhatsApp story. It may be good for me, so I'm going to work with Instagram post. Once I click over here, they will take a while and they will redirect me to this interface where I am allowed to create anything at that place. So let's create a simple design for our Canva design, then we are going to create as a bulk of that design. So first of all, let's select a background that may be I think these shapes will be good. So let's make a design which will be looks stunning also. So first of all, I will going to make it black, and I will make it blue, and then increase the size also. Then let's write something that will be subscribe, and let's change the font color. First of all, we need to change the color, so get the known about text. So let's next would be change the font. So here you have allowed to choose any font from that place. So you can see we have various type of font over that place in the left corner. So let's choose someone. I think this may good for my design Noister, and then increase the size again. I'm going to make it fully this size. Yeah, it's look right. Then we can go over here effect, and we can make holocaust or something else, so it looks nice. Then again go over here and change the color text effect, and I will make it simple, and I will make sure the design will be more space. Again, let's go with this one, and again I will recheck the hollow option again and make sure it looks same. So let's make it in a group, so whenever I click it will not change the design. So first of all, I need to click on position. When I click over here, they will give me option here to change the alignment of the text. You can see all the element over that place. You can explore it one by one. Next, it here I need to click on layers. Once I click over here, I have an option to select each elements one by one. So I am going to click on control, then I will select everyone, and I will make sure this all are in a group. So when I will change, it will change together. So now I am going to add a pic here of a man, so that pic will be man picture. So let's see. Yeah, they provide us some photos over that place. I need to be choose one. Which one will be perfect for my design? Let's scroll down and let's find out which one will be good for my design. I think this may looks good for my design. I am going to work with this one, and I will make sure the background will be removed from the picture. That's why I click over here busy remove, and then I think our work has been done. So we need to be increase the size. If you find out that the image becomes so much blurry, then you can enhance the image also. Like they give you the option to enhance your picture in Canva. Just go over here and click on edit, and now you can see, let's wait. Now you can see here we have the option like this image up scaler. So in here you can see we have adjustment also, like we can change the color, we can change the tint, we can increase the brightness, whatever we want. So it's look really nice, although I just want to make it bulk. For that reason I'm going to add some text in different images. So let's go on this platform and then search for new chat, and here we are going to get some motivational quotes for our image. So give me 10 motivational quotes, and they will provide us some option here. Just need a while. Here you can see they are providing us some of them, so it's look nice. So we need to be choose from that place. So already I selected all the, like I already grab all the motivational quotes, and now I will, like I am going to paste it here in my design. Before that I am going to change the background color or this background. So first of all I need to click on position again. I will click over here and I will increase this yellow color so it look nice. So however you can see the design is so much engaging right now. So I'm going to add some text over here. So add a text box, and now I am going to resize it as I want. So I am going to design this. Let's design it. I will make sure my design will be effective and efficient for my look. So here you can see it looks really nice. After all it is white but the border have black, that's why it looks clearly. So now we need to be go on apps, and when I will click over here apps, I will have the option for search Canva apps. Here I will click in bulks. Once I click over here I will hit the enter button. Once I hit the enter button, here I will have the option for bulk create. Already I installed the bulk creation in my canva.com, that's why I am not allowed to see it again. So here you can see this is the bulk create option. So here you can see we already created some manually data, that's why you need to be click on enter data manually. Once I click over here you already get see this kind of interface where I am allowed to see some name and email option. So I need to be clear this. Just click over here clear data, and now I am going to write over here quote, and then I am going to paste all this motivational speech, and now I am going to click on done. Once I click over here I need to be, now after completing all the process over there, I have to connect this text, your paragraph text, to this quote option. That for reason I will select the text and then click on mouse right button, and here you can see connect data option. After that layer and align section, just click over here and they are asking for option quote. I already have one, that's why I am able to see it. Just click over here and then you have option for continue. Just click over here and now you can see this is the bulk creation option. If you want to remove something you are allowed to do it, just uncheck it. If you uncheck it, that's it. Just click on, after completing all, eventually you need to be click on generate 10 design. After clicking this one, it will take a while and you can see our one design created and saved your project successfully. So for that reason click on view in folder option, and if you click over here they will redirect you to the next page. Here you can see or allowed to see this option, so you can check this out. Our bulk design has been created in this Canva. So the process is really simple and you can see all the quotes here. It looks really nice. You can change it as you want. You have all the authority right now and it looks really nice. You can increase the size, you can decrease the text size, whatever you want is totally up to you. Now you can one by one particularly change everything if you want. If you don't think that it is okay, then you are not to do anything I supposed to. So after all you can see our result has been come in our desktop and it is really simple. If you want to create this bulk creation design, then you can do it by this following process. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really informative for you, or if you find out this is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.